An associate's degree in business management opens the door to a variety of career opportunities. As a prospective student, NMSU Alamogordo plays an important role in helping you to gain the skills you need for a new career. Whether you're just coming out of high school, you're looking to change careers, or you're taking that entrepreneurial leap. With our business management degree, you can tailor your education with one of three pathways: general management, marketing, or accounting. If you are unsure which business management degree is right for you, you can always start with working on a certificate. A certificate is a great way to explore your interests, and the nice thing is, once you finish your certificate, you'll be able to apply those credits to any one of our business management degrees. In my classroom, I like to have a hands-on experience to where students are not only reading the information in the textbook, but they're also being able to apply it. And since I've had other experiences outside of the realm of education, I'm allowed to be able to bring those in and share with the students how these principles actually apply in the real world. My background is varied. I am a CPA. I've worked in public accounting, I've worked in nonprofit areas, and also in industry, and then also in education. So I feel privileged to be able to bring that information in and share it with my students and help them to see how what they're learning in the textbook is actually being applied as we work through the problems and we work them together. Since we are a small class, I feel excited that I'm able to work with students one-on-one, and they feel comfortable enough to ask questions, to get clarification so that things make sense to them.
I decided to go into accounting because I'm kind of in the field right now with the business office at a district here nearby, and I just love the idea of being able to see how a school works and why we make the choices we do, or why a business makes choices, whether it be to make a profit, not make a profit, something we need to cut. I just love looking at it from all angles. I do love that accounting one helped me to kind of learn the language, get to know it a little more, and I love that we have the option to maybe even use those classes to go into a certificate, which could lead into an associate's, getting those milestones, kind of showing evidence of all the hard work you get to do. So I'm pretty excited about that. Luckily, I've taken all my classes with Professor Griffith, and she's amazing, always willing to help, explains everything. She has so much experience in the field, so she's always relating it to experiences that she's gone through and to show how it could affect and why businesses might look at it a certain way. So I love that she brings that aspect into it, gets us engaged, and shows us how it's used in real life. I have a lot going on. Online, it just doesn't fit for me. I have, kids and a job, and so full-time schedule, being able to come in person, focus on this, learn in person, really helps me to grasp the concepts of each chapter, and I feel like I get more out of it.
After working all these years for the people, I decided I wanted to open up my own restaurant. I want to work for myself. So doing this, I have the accounting background, so I know where my money's going, and then I'll have a business background so that I can be able to run my business correctly. So I'm about a year and a quarter, because I took summer classes last year, but I've loved it so far. Every class I've taken has given me something new to look at. You can do just about anything. You can open up a restaurant, and you can work for big companies like Apple or Disney and go into their management fields. They're looking for people that have a degree in business management. It's going to know what they're doing when they come in. It will help you with all these other businesses. You have the discrimination laws, you have your business rules that you have to follow. So if you want to go into business, make sure you want to be able to study and learn a lot about the government laws. If you want to start off small before going to a big campus like me, I'm going to be going to NMSU in Cruces. Come to Alamogordo, because they are going to work with you here. And the campus is just amazing. They have so much for the students here.